Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Had to get the next puller. That's the one I rented from O'Reilly's. Had to reconfigure it so that the drive screw was like this and the jaws were like this. You just take these screws out, arrange it how you want it. Now I'm gonna put it on this AC pulley and get this thing off of here. This is where I'm at. I got a claw behind this brace up here. I got a claw right there. I got a claw right here. I need to get that pushed in further. And then I got the screw set right there in the tip of that. Let me loosen this. I got this tightened by hand. Loosen this just a little bit. Get this top claw in. Actually, it won't go in no further than that because the engine's in the way. So I'm gonna put the 16 on here and crank this thing in, which should start pulling that off nice and easy. You look in there, you should see it coming out. It's coming on out. It's a shame how easy the puller is and how hard it is. Now that came away from the engine, so that claw set. But if you look in there, you can see that the pulley's coming off. It's got a little bit of force on it now. There it goes. Still sliding off. At some point it's going to get easy. Cranking it off. If you look in there, it's come out about ½ inch now. I got it out about 3/4 of an inch, and then I felt the pop, and now it's loose. So it popped out. Now the pulley should be nice and loose. There it is. Let me compare the two and put it on. Yep, they look identical. So this one's all busted up from hitting the ground. And this one is nicked up. It might have hit the ground too. But anyway, I don't have any burrs on it. All the pulley teeth are straight. So I'm gonna take a socket and tap that on there. My 36 is too big to fit in there. 35 probably be perfect. So I'm gonna use my 32 to tap that in with a dead blow hammer and get that on there. I got it in far enough that the clip ring is in, but man, it feels like it's binding a little bit. So this outer ring, which may be the magnet, isn't spinning as freely as I'd like it to, but it does spin with one hand, so hopefully everything's okay. It's not too hard to spin. It just doesn't like spin with my hand. I gotta turn it with my hand. So we're gonna move forward. I'm getting ready to put this clutch on there off the other car. Those are the spacers that gap your clutch, and this is the screw that goes in there. So you got to take these washers, drop them down in there, get them to sit down in there flat as such. And if your gap is off, you got to open this up and take a washer out. I can't get one of them washers to sit flat, so let me do that. Press this on there and tighten that down. I'm gonna stick the screw through there as I guide that on so that those washers don't fall crooked. With the noise you hear in the background is the washing machine. Anyway, the pulley turns a little bit of effort with my hand, and the clutch turns without much effort at all. And we don't have much gap there, so we should be good to go. Hopefully that's the right amount of gap, and the compressor will work fine. Feels a little tight in there, but the magnet is turning with the, well, I can't see that now, it wasn't before. Anyway, the pulley turns and the clutch turns. We should be good to go. Time to move on. Gonna wrap up the day with a few packages got in the mail. This one came from iPd. Look at there, they got a nice little holiday sticker. Let's open this up and see what's in this one. This next long one's from iPd, and the 100's from Turbo Tony, which of course is the turbo for Red Barron. These are the clips that hold the little trim on the fender on the 850. The trim that goes along down the side of the door. So I got 4 of those in this little box here. Let's check the next box. Got some high quality, really good vacuum line. I got a vent cleaner. I usually use an acid brush to clean out my vents, but this is like terry cloth vent cleaner I found on their website. Sometimes it is nice just to thumb through the pages on iPd's website. I got the clips that go around the rear hatch. I'm going to show you guys how those are supposed to go on. They are really good. There's a new way. I found out that rear hatch is supposed to come on and off without destroying it. Then I got the little light bulb that makes you want to do a manual swap in the car that goes in the shifter. I got this for the donor car, the little windshield washer reservoir cap. I got some more of the premium microfiber tiles for drying off a car. When I wash Queen Bee with that shark wax, I can dry the entire car with one of these towels without even wringing it out. I could dry the whole dang car off. Now I had 3 of these, like you see, it's a set of 3, but I lost them when I was in Maine. Somebody helped me wash my car. We set them on their car or somewhere to let them dry, drove off and left them. So I had to buy some more. So my viewer in Maine has a few of them. I got a dipstick for the donor car, and what I have here I probably already got, but I needed to get another set of them because I couldn't find the other ones I had. Either that or I used them when I put the anti-sway bars on Panther. The anti-sway bar bushing set. I found an anti-sway bar for Queen Bee, and these bushings are gonna hold that in place. So there you have it, my iPd order. We got one more box to go through, and here it is, folks. The tricked out turbo for Red Barron. Rebuilt, should be better than a brand new turbo. As you can see, it has the 11 blade billet wheel with all the blades the same length. It has a custom exhaust wheel, help this thing spool up and perform better. It has newer, improved bearings in it. And you know, lately guys have been talking about putting a 19T on instead of one of these K24s on. They say they trick out the 19T to outperform or to match the performance of a K24. Well, Turbo Tony seems to believe that you can get 400 horsepower or better out of this K24. So if you got a S60R or V70R or want to upgrade the turbo that you have to one of these tricked out K24s, get with him. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.